of himself in every composition, and he's just released a new song. उसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे, बहुत सारी बातें होंगी, and of course बहुत सारा music होगा. I've requested him to come with a guitar or a keyboard, so let's see what we have in store for us. Put your hands together, keep those hearts coming for the one and only, very talented and a very very dear friend, Amal Malik. टिंग डिंग 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 डिंग, घंटियां बजाओ, बर्तन बजाओ, आ रहे हैं. Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? Woohoo!
Yo!
नमस्कार, कैसे हो तुम? How are you?
What's up? I'm good. How are you?
I am very good यार. You tell me, मतलब तुम दिन भर कितने, मतलब how many songs do you compose, man? I mean, in the lockdown itself, when I kind of think about it, you know, Zara Thero, what a beautiful song, excellent song. And I know that you called me. This was I think March, April. I think lockdown शुरू ही हुआ था. And then of course दिल को मैंने दी कसम. Yeah. And then Dil Ko Maine Di Kasam, where you know you're back with Arijit with the song. I mean, I just love the combination you of course have with Arman, but you know even with Arijit, you've got some fabulous compositions. तो कुछ बताओ यार, ये तुम्हारा थोड़ा अपने म्यूजिक के दिमाग के बारे में बताओ थोड़ा.
अभी वो निकाल के दिखा नहीं पाऊंगा, but I feel in the last 2-3 months मुझे as an artist बहुत time मिला to spend time with myself, understand where I want to go musically और क्या किस टाइप का मुझे म्यूजिक बनाना है. तो मेरे लिए ये पूरा obviously थोड़ा difficult था to record instruments, वो तो एक टास्क अलग ही था. But as someone who wants to make new melodies again and compose करना, ये best एक time था जहाँ यानी कोई deliveries नहीं है, कोई deadlines नहीं है. So I was very happy कि I got these 2-3 months and I made about 15-16 songs and it's
wow.
I'm happy with what's coming.
So tell me now, where are those songs? अभी तो हमने 2-3 सुने हैं. Are these a part of? I mean, are they independent in terms of are you collaborating with a music label or are you collaborating with a film? How is it working?
Almost 3 to 5 songs are independent. They are not related to films. Some are with labels, some are just maybe with streaming platforms. It depends, and it's not, but it's independent. It's not associated with a film. And films mein hai, there is a film with Sabir Khan. There's one with Amol Gupte, and there are going to be 3 songs of mine which are going to feature me in those videos next year. So all of that is what I'm working on.
So tell me, what are your inspirations? मतलब जब तुम बैठते हो, you're one of those people who I think has not let the love for music dilute your composition. मतलब तुमने decide किया है कि यार मैं composer हूँ, मैं गाने बनाऊंगा, मैं melodies बनाऊंगा. I will just concentrate on that. What is that process? थोड़ा कुछ हमें बताओ. How do you get into making a song, especially the songs with a lot of melody? I mean, look at the songs from Azhar, look at the songs from Dhoni. I mean, all of them. खूबसूरत के गाने ले लीजिए. I mean, right from the very first song that you made, right now to Zara Thero, right to Dil Ne Di Kasam. I mean, what is it? Tell me, what's the secret?
I think it's the secret ingredient for this is all heart. I think there is no exact formula, but I have one thing which maybe I can say, मुझे it's like a blessing. You can say that my music, what I make, even though it relates to maybe my life or my friends or what I experience or what I've seen, उन सब में से ही मैं बनाता हूँ. But कहीं ना कहीं जब रिलीज होता है, it connects to people on a level कि they feel ये हमारी कहानी है, it's our story. Firstly, I think that's the reason where एक fan और एक listener का artist से connection होता है. And यानी मैंने मेरी obviously with great directors come those songs also कि जब धोनी कर रहा था तो नीरज पांडे.
अच्छा, sorry, I'm going to interrupt you. It's a lot like radio right now. देखो fans तुम्हें सुनने भी आए हैं, देखने भी आए हैं, और I think तुम्हारा network is a little down. So a
Is
lot
that
of people, a lot of your fans are saying they're not able to see you and they can only hear you, which is fine. Radio hai, but yaar, तुम इतने handsome, चिकने मतलब हो कि people want to see you. So I'm going to disconnect you, and you'll have to send me another request because
yeah,
you know
yeah.
your fans will really they'll murder me if they can't see
No,
you.
no, not at all.
So
Okay, I'm
okay, so like we said, Amal Malik is here. Wow, this is fabulous. I'm just loving the kind of, you know, the feedback, the comments that are coming in. Yes, we can't see you, Amal Malik. That's what Amal Pakistan is saying. And look at the kind of hearts that are coming. Yeah, भेजते रहो यार. मतलब अभी तो मैं ही हूँ screen पे, but you know, it's nice to kind of to get the kind of hearts that you're sending me. Yes, the network is a bit of a problem. And like I say, this is Antakshari with Sharma ji. It is only about spreading happiness, joy, and Antakshari cheer and talking about music. So if this is your fix, then this is where you need to be. यहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं होता. यहाँ पे और कोई बातें नहीं होती. So you need to let everything aside. सब चीज छोड़ दीजिए जो बर्तन मांजने हैं, जो खाना बनाना है. This is that prime time show जो 110 एपिसोड पहले शुरू हुआ था. Come with all the positivity, come with all the joy, and be a part of Antakshari with Sharma ji. So I'm going to take Amal back. I hope he's there. यार आरजे तरुण मेरे मतलब प्रिय मित्र आए हुए हैं, but just to kind of let everyone know, there's an Arman Amal lover, there is Anjum, there is again Amal Malik Sunlight, there is Sirat, there is, wow, look at the number of people. There's Rocky Kumar, Ayushi Chaure, Amal ki duniya, kya baat hai. Amal San Bidder, just another Amalian, okay. यार ये मैं भी सीख रहा हूँ देखिए. Then there is obviously Armalians also. There is Xenia loves Arman Malik. There is Xenia loves Amal Malik. It's amazing to see the kind of people who are here. Fabulous. And I'm obviously waiting for Amal to come in, and then we can continue. Of course, तब तक ये बता दो कि कौन से गाने, you know, this is a good opportunity. What are your favorite songs of Amal Malik? Quickly, if you kind of type it down, then I will request him not only to give you a shout out, but also to sing 2 lines. So jaldi se, while we are waiting for him, and I'm sure even if he is watching, he'll love to. तो हम 2 मिनट वेट करेंगे कि आप जल्दी से हमें वो गाने भेजें which you love of Amal. Like I said, right from Khoobsurat, when I first heard him, to his song Right Now, जो अभी अरिजीत के साथ उन्होंने गाना बनाया, T-Series के साथ, I mean, that's absolutely fabulous. Dil Ko Maine Di Kasam, I mean, fabulous song. You need to go. It's already got some 40 million views or whatever, but you need to go and listen to it. जल्दी बताइए. ओ खुदा, okay. मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, okay. सोच ना सके, very good. चले आना, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, ओ खुदा, सब तेरा, lovely. यार कोई मेरे धोनी के गाने नहीं बोल रहा. बोल दो ना जरा. यस, आई लव बोल दो. यू नो, जब मैंने सुना था बोल दो ना जरा, आई एक्चुअली कॉल्ड हिम एंड आई सेड यार ये तुमने क्या कंपोज किया है, क्योंकि अगले यू नो फॉर दोस 5 days मैं यही गाना लूप पे सुने जा रहा था. इट वाज जस्ट अमेजिंग. नैना, नॉट बैड. अमाल म्यूजिक वर्ल्ड, नाउ यू आर टॉकिंग. रोके ना रुके नैना, यस ऑफ कोर्स. कौन तुझे, नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग. कौन तुझे, यस. You know, these are my favorite songs. Besab, of course, Besabriya. The entire soundtrack of Dhoni is outstanding. Let's see if he's there. I would like to. Amal, kahan ho tum? Okay, he's here. He's there. Let's get him. So I hope he's heard these conversations, and we are taking him now. Amal,
is this better?
Yes. Now don't move. जैसे क्रिकेट में बोलते हैं ना कि वो हिलना मत, नहीं तो वो वाईफाई भी हिल जाएगा. हाँ बिल्कुल. या जो यू नो पीपल हु वर बोर्न इन द 70s and 80s, हमने सुना था कि वो टीवी का एंटेना पकड़ के बैठे रहो, नहीं तो यू नो द ट्रांसमिशन कुड गो अवे. तो तुम अपने वाईफाई का एंटेना पकड़ के बैठे रहो. तो अमन, आई एम श्योर you heard me talking to all your fans, and you know they're just absolutely going crazy. But you know, I have a very special relationship with you. I have a very special relationship with T-Series, of course. And you know, Pooja, Vinod Bhanushali, Bhushan Kumar, And when they told me that you're out with this new song, I was very excited. So you need to tell me about this song. कि दिल को मैंने दी कसम, इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताओ.
तो ये सॉन्ग 23 के एज पे मैंने बनाया था. दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट 7 years ago. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मेरी और कुमार पाजी की पहली सिटिंग, दूसरी सिटिंग हुई थी. वी वर डूइंग हीरो, सूरज डूबा एंड नैना, ये सब गाने वर बीइंग मेड. तो मैंने वो एक रात को 1 बजे वी हैड जस्ट फिनिश्ड एंड ही वाज गोइंग होम. तो मैंने वो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी ले ली. मतलब सर एक गाना है मेरा, सुन लो. यू नो आई वाज आल्सो लाइक मे बी ही can hear this and tell me if it's good or not. And he heard it and he loved it. But I would like to say that he had this vision which was so true कि he said तभी only कि आजकल ये जो hook line वाला गाना है वो ज्यादा is what's connecting to people. And this is a very ghazalish format. So इसको थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, but इस टाइप की राइटिंग और इस टाइप के गाने का भी एक टाइम शायद आएगा and it'll do really well when it comes. So we made it then. और काफी फिल्मों में यानी वी वांटेड टू वी पिच्ड इट एंड इंडिपेंडेंटली आल्सो वी वांटेड टू डू, बट लिरिक्स और लिरिक्स से मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा अटैच्ड रहता हूँ. तो वी बोथ वर वेरी श्योर कि लिरिक्स नहीं बदलना चाहते हम लोग. बाकी आप द मेन जिस्ट जो मेन सोल है गाने का कि दिल को मैंने दी कसम ना धड़के तेरे बिना, धड़के तो सारी जिंदगी तड़पे तेरे बिना, ये हमें नहीं हटाना था. तो उसमें 7 साल इंतजार हो गया इस गाने के लिए, बट इट्स द रिस्पॉन्स एंड द लव मेक्स इट ऑल वर्थ. तो ये उस टाइम की एक मेलोडी है. ऑब्वियसली मैंने थोड़ा बहुत आई हैव कंटेम्पोराइज्ड इट एंड यूज्ड today's little elements and kept it Indian also and little electronic also. So I'm glad these guys are liking the song.
Yeah, just to let you know कि जो मेरा रेडियो स्टेशन है वो पागल हो रहा है. Of course, Fever FM is going to play it. Urmil said that you need to be live with her, and of course अगर और जानकारी जाननी है तो @Amal Malik is what you can follow him. और अगर मेरे साथ अंताक्षरी खेलनी है then of course @Sharma ji. We're going to start Antakshari, Amal, but I'm going to break the rule for the first time. Ki before we start, you have to do 2 lines of this song because it is so special. Like you said, it was 7 years in the making. It's out now. The world needs to listen to it.
Yes. दिल को मैंने दी कसम, दिल को मैंने दी कसम, न धड़के तेरे बिना. दिल को मैंने दी कसम, न धड़के तेरे बिना. धड़के तो सारी जिंदगी, धड़के तो सारी जिंदगी, तड़पे तेरे बिना. दिल को मैंने दी कसम, न धड़के तेरे बिना. दिल को मैंने दी कसम, न धड़के तेरे बिना. धड़के तो सारी जिंदगी, धड़के तो सारी जिंदगी, तड़पे तेरे बिना. तुझसे जुड़ा तो टूटा जहां से, आ करीब आ जा, ले लूं मैं सांसे. दूरियों में देखा है मर के तेरे बिना. दिल को मैंने दी कसम, दिल को मैंने दी कसम, न धड़के तेरे बिना. धड़के तो सारी जिंदगी, धड़के तो सारी जिंदगी, तड़पे तेरे बिना.
Oh. Fabulous. And listen, everyone who's watching, yes, I know the hearts are coming in. I'm going to request Amal to do a heart because it is about Dil. And I want everyone to take a screenshot. I want to take everyone a screenshot and send it to me at the rate Sharma ji. Follow me. And I will get Arman to give a shout out. Yes, this is your screenshot moment. Thank you very much, guys. 40 million views is what I've heard. It's already done in a few hours. This is amazing, Amal. Really, matlab, God bless. Usually, मैं ये end में बोलूँगा, but I always get this. You know, you're the younger brother kind of feeling. तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी होती है whenever I listen to all your compositions.
I want to tell everyone that starting में मैं थोड़ा I was seeing when you were introducing that it is very true that I remember धोनी का जो पूरा album था, यानी I was working on it, and when I made कौन तुझे and we had met for some other song, I think Badrinath या किसी का some promotion had come for, and I sat with Gaurav sir and I played him the song कौन तुझे, and he was the first one who told me, he's like, this one is unstoppable, so just go for it, it's full heart. And I had doubts because, you know, बहुत हिंदी गाने female voices में solely led by a female singer were not accepted, or you know, they were not pushed, or not even like films में भी ऐसी situations बहुत कम थी. But ये जब आया, and I think it opened a gateway for so many female songs that are hopefully gonna keep coming now. So I was happy that you liked it, and मेरे लिए it was my biggest album. So I'm glad it's reached to so many people here. They're all writing कौन तुझे now.
Of course. And you know, I tell Palak also, it's my favorite song of Palak, Kaun Tujhe. I think, you know, she sung it so well. I also think it's, you know, even picturized on Disha, you know, beautiful. And then of course, look at the other songs. I mean, again, you know, you did Ye Naina, I think, in Kabir Singh, right? I mean, that was such a and that was such a beautiful song also with Shreya. So really, I think, you know, there's something special there. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. हम अंताक्षरी में शर्मा जी खेलने आए हैं. बैठे बैठे क्या करें, करना है कुछ काम, शुरू करो अंताक्षरी लेके अमाल का नाम. म से तुम्हें शुरू करना है. म M for Malik.
मेरे रंग में रंगने वाली परी हो या परियों की रानी, या हो मेरी प्रेम कहानी, मेरे सवालों का जवाब दो ना.
Oh, and this is why this show is so special, because you get them to hear classics from their voices. You know, Mere Rang Mein Rangne Wali, what a beautiful song from Maine Pyar Kiya. Yeah, what a song and what a composition. And we wish SPB, a very healthy and a quick recovery. He's not well right now, but what an absolutely fabulous singer. But tell me one thing, yaar, Amal, तुमने ये तो गाना गा लिया, but you know, it will be sacrilege अगर मैं तुम्हारे तो इतने सारे गाने हैं म से, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, मतलब, you know, that song is just shouting out there, and then there are so many. In fact, even there's so many other songs which start with ma. Even Suraj Dubai, Matlabi.
Yes.
So of course we are playing Antakshari with Amal. And I have to
request. I also want them to hear songs that maybe they have not, you know, heard me sing. इसलिए मैं दूसरे भी गा रहा हूँ.
Of course, no. In fact, that should be. But you have to choose any one of these songs that you have sung which start with Ma, and you need to do 2 lines of that.
Okay. Yeah. मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, तुम मुझ में कहीं बाकी रहना, मुझे नींद आए जो आखिर, तुम ख्वाबों में आते रहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना से कहना बस इतना है तुम से कहना, मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी, कुछ बात गलत भी हो जाए, कुछ देर ये दिल भी खो जाए, बेफिक्र धड़कने इस तरह से चले, शोर गूंजे यहाँ से वहाँ, सूरज डूबा है यारो दो नशे के मारो रास्ते, भुला दो सारे घर बार के, सूरज डूबा है यारो दो नशे के मारो गम तुम, भुला दो सारे संसार के।
Like I say, he is truly special, truly special. अगर आप लोग घर पे हो तो तालियां बजाइए, बर्तन बजाइए for this absolutely amazing, passionate, मतलब बिल्कुल composer and I think an equally good singer. ज्यादा गाते नहीं है, ये भी उनसे पूछेंगे, लेकिन we'll back to अंताक्षरी. मेरा अल्फाबेट था न, because he said दो ना, तो न से I will sing. चलिए आशिकी का गाना गाते हैं। नजर के सामने
Lovely.
जिगर के पास कोई रहता है, वो हो तुम नजर के सामने जिगर के पास।
बहुत गाने हैं सर से, बट सूरज हुआ मध्यम, चांद जलने लगा, आसमां ये है क्यों पिघलने लगा, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है सजना, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है, सूरज हुआ मध्यम, चांद जलने लगा, आसमां ये है क्यों पिघलने लगा, मैं ठहरा रहा जमी चलने लगी, ठहरा ये दिल सांस थमने लगी, ओ क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है ओ सजना, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है।
वो क्या ये मेरा यार, ये पहले सबको बताओ कि why is it that you don't sing that? I mean, of course, I know that you love composing, but we need to. I mean, yes, there are songs. Badrinath में तुमने गाया है, and again, all the songs that you've sung are super hit. But really, what's the reason?
I think the composer I am manages to beat up the singer. जो मैं हूँ, उन दोनों में जब उन दोनों में एक लड़ाई होती है, तो I'll tell you, it's the most simplest process. I sit, और अगर गाना बन गया, I immediately somehow know कि ये या तो मेरा है 100%, I can only sing this, या तो नहीं है. That one decision comes to me, and आशिक सरेंडर हुआ में रिवर्स था. ओ खुदा में I was, which was from Hero. That I was sure, that I can maybe give a nice romantic, heartbreak, good, powerful singing. But Masti and thoda quirky, so Ashik Surrender Hua, I want to tell everybody, and I've told this to even Udit ji. My first choice was Udit Narayan for that song.
Oh.
And I have also sung it like a tribute to him, that Jo Bhida Tere Naino Se Taka. It's more his style. So, but kahin na kahin wo shoot hoke jab aaya, I and Varun and Shashank and Karan sir, we all saw the rough edit of the song. It was looking very close to Varun's lip sync, and it was going so well. Varun also like, bro, it's looking as if I've sung it and it's going so beautifully lip sync. Lag rahi hai meri awaaz hai. So let's not change it. So sometimes I let them take those decisions. क्योंकि क्या हो जाता है, I feel कि सब गाने मेरे लिए नहीं बने. मैंने सब, यानी इतने सिंगर्स के साथ वर्कड विद सोनू निगम, के Arijit, Arman, Mika. I've not worked with Jubin, but I think we'll be also doing something soon. Or there are some songs which I feel maybe they'll suit Jubin, maybe they'll suit Darshan, और I feel नहीं अरमान will do this really well. तो वो सब गानों पे डिपेंड होता है. और मैं जो अभी मैं इसलिए because my fans and all these guys get angry कि आप क्यों नहीं गा रहे हो, तो मैं अपनी इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक में अभी सब खुद ही गाने वाला हूँ. So you will have at least 3-4 songs in the coming year in my voice on my face. So I don't think I'll leave them unhappy.
Oh, brilliant, brilliant. So you have to do Ashik Surrender, but do it like Udit ji. Come on. I want to hear this because I know he sang the 2 lines, yeah, but it'll be so cute and he loves it. So you got to do it like Udit ji.
Take 1. जो भिड़ा तेरे नैनों से टाका तो आशिक सरेंडर हुआ. तूने शर्मा के विंडो से झांका तो आशिक सरेंडर हुआ. हाँ सुन ओरी गोरी मोहब्बत में तोरी न जाने कब जून से दिसंबर हुआ. तूने इंग्लिश में जब हमको डांटा तो आशिक सरेंडर हुआ. प्यार से मारा गालों पे चाटा तो आशिक सरेंडर हुआ. हाय सरेंडर हुआ.
Are you also there when the song is being picturized? I mean, are you there to see the ultimately कि वो गाना किस तरह से shoot हुआ? Is that a different high? Do you like to do that?
So on certain films, whenever I've got time, like Golmaal, I went to see. I'd gone to the set to watch the shooting of the songs. So
Yes.
usually like the directors who are like comfortable having a lot of people around with them, तो उनके साथ it's easier because there are obviously सबकी अपनी, like Neeraj Pandey sir is someone very, he needs his space and so we made music together, but I never knew how Dhoni songs were, what it was being shot like. So मेरा this is also a way I work कि when a director shoots the song and comes back, so I see the video and then I decide to increase or decrease also certain instruments or add little more life. So when Ashik Surrender Hua happened, we had recorded about 4 dhol players and done that and sent it. But Shashank shot it so big and so huge that it was that my audio was feeling small in front of the big canvas of the film. So मैंने 16 players बुलाए. तो उसके बाद the song became big and it sounded like a big film screen song. So these things I keep doing. So even when I saw Dhoni, Jab Tak had a version where his marriage and the whole, they traveled to South Africa and all of that.
Yeah.
So all those the road trip and those long shots towards the ship or the sea, the ocean. So those gave me a chance. I saw a little bit and I was like, I'll maybe add more orchestra to it, add more strings. तो उससे गाना और enhance होता है. बट ऐसा भी बहुत होता है कि मैंने वीडियो देखा कि सडनली एक रोमांटिक गाना है, लाइक बोल दो ना जरा, इट हैड लिटिल मोर अग्रेसिव बीट्स पहले, बट वी हैड जस्ट मेड इट इन वन नाइट. it was like Azhar Pritam Da was doing, but he got busy in several other projects and he wasn't well at that time. So रात को हम लोग को एक वीडियो मिली from Balaji and they had shot without lip sync on Pilu. Just they had taken a reference because they were already on location, so they had no option but to get those moments. So they had shot it on Pilu. So now problem ये होती है कि वो एक fast गाना है, that is more like तेरे संग इश्क तारी है and बोल दो ना जरा, बोल दो ना जरा. It's got that waltz and it's really slow. तो मैंने literally वो video देखा and me, Megdeep, who produced the song with me, and Arman and all of us, we saw the video and we toned down. We got bagpipes into the song. We made it very personal, nylon guitars, and made it more subtle. Not very in your face beats and all. So that's why, like, even when this was there, this came from the video for Megdeep was sitting and this riff just came about. So in this, we were like, this is the mood. You know, the film's taking us, the video's taking us here. And पहली बार जब भेजा था तब रिजेक्ट हो गया था क्योंकि वो वीडियो फास्ट था और ऑडियो ऑब्वियसली इतना स्लो था.
Of course, of course.
But I believed so much in the song, and so did Bhushan sir and Virag. Virag, I have to say, with his writing, I think in my whole whatever career I have, my most special and most songs that I'll be remembered by are written by Rashmi Virag. So his support and belief कि तो मैंने अपने दोस्त जिसको एडिटिंग आती थी मैंने बोला ब्रो तू घर आजा ये वीडियो 1000 फ्रेम स्लो कर दे और ये गाना प्लेस करके वापस पिच करूंगा मैं क्योंकि मेरे को तो लगता है इसमें there is soul. And then when we sent it, then immediate reaction was like it's working. So I think video obviously enhances the audio, but एक बार ये भी बात है कि पिक्चर के बिना या फिल्म के बिना है जैसे भी हो जब I always ask you कि what do you feel about this song as a radio song? Why I ask that is क्योंकि मुझे वो फिल्म के बाद भी चाहिए कि लोग मेरे गाने सुन के कनेक्ट हो and feel that this is what it is. They should maybe not know what film, but they should know the song, and Bol Do Na Zara did that.
I was discussing it even before. अभी जब हम wait कर रहे थे कि बोल दो ना जरा, and I remember having called you जब मैंने सुना, I think अगले 5 या 6 दिन तक मैं वही गाना loop पे. I mean, it is such a beautiful song, especially this opening chord which goes in. We've now इतनी बात हो गई तो we have to do बोल दो ना जरा. I'm going to stop him. I'm going to get him to sing it again. I'm going to request everyone while this song is on, please keep sending those hearts, keep sending all kinds of hearts, all kinds of messages. I want to see how many messages we can collect while Amar sings the song because it's very special to me also. Sorry.
इतनी मोहब्बत करो ना मैं डूब न जाऊं कहीं वापस किनारे पे आना मैं भूल न जाऊं कहीं देखा जब से चेहरा तेरा मैं तो हफ्तों से सोया नहीं बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो कहूँगा नहीं मुझे नींद आती नहीं है अकेले ख्वाबों में आया करो नहीं चल सकूंगा तुम्हारे बिना मैं मेरा तुम सहारा बनो एक तुम्हें चाहने के अलावा और कुछ हमसे होगा नहीं बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा घर पे आया है जाने कोई.
Oh
And that's
man,
me. I'm
goosebumps,
allowed to change
goosebumps
the lyrics.
happening. Wow, wow. And guys, we love that improvisation. We love that improvisation. ये घर पे आया न जाने कोई. That is the new lyrics of this song, and that's how you get an idea of how sometimes songs are made. But you know, I think one very special, again, which something that you've been doing amongst the new breed of composers is, you love the challenge of taking soundtracks.
Yeah.
बहुत लोग होते हैं जो ठीक है, they are okay with that one song, but even if you look at Badla, even if you look at Noor, you look at Dhoni, you look at these are solid soundtracks जहाँ पे every song is brilliant and every song is composed by you. And especially Badla, I thought was such a different film, and you just jumped into it. So ये बताओ about composing one song versus doing the entire soundtrack of an album.
In Badla, like there was score tracks and also background songs by Clinton Sergio,
Of
and
course.
even that was like that is the kind of music producers I look up to them. Salim Suleiman, Preetham, Vishal Shekhar, SEL. So I feel they made their stamp. Even Amit Trivedi, they have their style and their stamp of music. And कहीं ना कहीं वो जब पूरा score करने मिलता है, like I know exactly what I've done in song number 1, which I don't want to do in song number 5. तो वो एक control मिल जाता है कि मैं हर एक अलग genre का I can do, keeping the limitations of the story and the script and everything. And one song, yani, it depends ki wo, yani, I always love doing full films. But when there are films like sometimes a Badri or a Golmaal or, the comedy films, the little pot boilers and commercial cinema. So I think there, if you even pick and choose 2-3 good songs, so like how Kapoor and Sons had, like I did the main 2 songs, but there were beautiful songs like Bolna and there was Let's Nacho and there was Sathi Re by Orko. So together, sometimes it can be like an amazing album, and sometimes it can be too many cooks spoil the broth also. So वो एक चीज हो जाती है. Obviously, and now I like a lot of people don't know. Like a lot of my fans also ask me, what is music supervisor? This position that's come. So this is something. This is a position where someone who, like you can say, like even Bhushan sir being a label head for T Series, still is supervising what the music is in his films. In that way, there's like there's Shivam, there's Vivin, there's Azim. These boys are music supervisors who pick and choose, to create a soundtrack, and they know the whole film in and out, and they take the composers through. So I think it's a good thing to have someone also on board because it's a position that's been in the West. I think a good music supervisor will also help, even if there are 3 composers on an album, to do something different because he's hearing what one is doing, what the other is doing. So that someone who can keep that little balance in the album. But obviously, like now when Saina is something I'm doing the entire score also, and it will be my debut in film scoring. Like I've learned a lot from Salim Suleiman and Sandeep Chota, but now is the time where it will be coming on my name as a proper score and soundtrack. So it's fun, that feeling of owning the soundtrack. It's something that I think everyone in this generation, I'm sure a lot of composers want it, but it's a little tough. You have to maybe stick to your guns, and that's a little difficult. So that's a choice. So
He's a man of
I'm
choices,
not
like I
completely
said.
against people who do multi composers or me also being part. As long as I get to, if I'm doing one song, मेरा ये एक चीज है जिसकी वजह से in 2 years also I've left about quite 16, 17 odd films because all those films wanted me to do one song but only a remix. So somewhere the artist in me didn't want to do one song and वो भी remix हो and there's no relevance कि क्यों है ये, या तो वो script में ऐसा हो कि like now like if I'm doing a film which is based in the 80s or 90s and we take a song from that era, so it makes sense कि चलो उस जमाने में ये गाना था या एक कैरेक्टर को वो गाना पसंद है या उस एरा का है, and we do it as a tribute. How you say कि if tomorrow like someone recreates Suraj Dubai and doesn't credit me. So that will make me feel bad because I made the original. So I keep that very that's a very important thing for me. Like labels के साथ भी मैं कोशिश करता हूँ, please give me music reprised or recreated, and please next to my name give original songs, composer's name, lyrics name, and singers, क्योंकि it's their song. Like even when we did Ghar Se Nikalte, the new versions accepted, it's loved, but it will always be Amal Arman and Kunal's tribute to Javed Saab, Udit ji, and Rajesh Roshan. So that is something I don't want to mess with and make people hurt, because I know how personal a song is. If tomorrow someone does that to me, I would really feel bad. So those kind of things, those choices have kept me away from films for a while. But now slowly we're leaning back towards original music, so you will see a little more of me again.
So yes, we're going to get original. We're also going to get tributes. We are playing Antakshari, and like I said, Amal just done some wonderful tributes in the Antakshari. Song is back to her with me, because you ended with Suraj Hua Madhyam. So her se mera gana, and I will sing. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना, दरारारा, हमें तुमसे प्यार. R is your alphabet.
R. R. कोई suggestions दो, अभी सोचना.
Yeah, give suggestions, guys. Give suggestions. I have a song
We have
of Amaz with
only 10 seconds left. Tick tick 9 is happening with me.
Okay. So we have I have a song of Amaz which is with Ra. But of course I want him to choose any other song. So please give us songs Ra ke saath, all the Amalian. Please send us some songs. Would love to hear Amaz singing another song composed by someone else, a classic.
I'm remembering. There's a song. राजा को रानी से प्यार हो गया, पहली नजर में पहला प्यार हो गया, दिल जिगर दोनों घायल हुए, तेरे नजर दिल के पार हो गया, राजा को रानी से प्यार हो गया. And there's another favorite of mine which is by Jeet Da, which is फिर से घंटी.
अरे वाह,
घंटियां.
Now we all want to know who is ये घंटियों में कौन आ रहा है घर पे.
Never ring the bell, we on live. राज आँखें तेरी सब बयां, खामोशियां, कुछ कहो ना सुनो, पास मेरे रहो, इश्क की कैसी है वीरानी.
Wow, what a beautiful.
Someone is writing शर्मा जी कलाकार दिखते हैं भी, अभी तक बजा नहीं उन्होंने.
But there are a whole lot of people who who guessed the song which is with Ra, which is Besabriya starts with Ra. So of course
Yes.
you have to do that. Yes.
एक second practice. रास्ते आगे पाँव से आगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे रास्ते आगे पाँव से आगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे क्यों सोचना है जाना कहाँ जाए वही ले जा कदमों पे तेरे बादल झुकेंगे जब तक तुझे ये एहसास है जागीर तेरी तेरा खजाना है ये प्यास है क्यों रोकना अब ये कारवां जाए वही ले जाए जहां बेसब्रिया 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 रास्ते आगे पाँव से आगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे
Oh, absolutely.
This song na Gaurav sir has got such a special important like what a place in my heart it holds that इस फिल्म के पहले नरेशन में यानी lot of big composers were supposed to score the soundtrack for this film. Obviously very big film, very big stars, very big story, and I remember 6-7 composers were pitched. The situations were given to them, and मैंने कौन तुझे तो I had made, you know, I had played it to Neeraj Pandey, but he reacted to this song in the most positive way because he said this is the soul of my film, and if you can crack this one, then I can give you the whole film. So I said, okay, I'll try, and me and Manoj Muntashir, who's an amazing writer, the whole soundtrack he wrote. So when we came up with Besabriya very early on, like I had the hook, you know, just ki Besabriya. This was there, but I was like, the lead up इधर तक आने के लिए बहुत एक ब्यूटीफुल कहानी बोलनी है मुझे. And when he wrote, क्यों रोकना अब ये कारवां जाए वही ले जाए जहां बेसब्रिया. When this came, when this came about, I was sure that you know we have something special, and I don't think there's anything missing. क्योंकि बात भी आ रही है and feel भी आ रहा है. You know, he wanted the feel of a heart that is chasing his dreams, and there's a very important trivia also to this song that this was initially sung by Arijit, and he heard Arman's version, and Arman obviously had sung the scratch, but I had sent it to Arijit to try and sing it. He sang the first half of the song, and he called me, and he said, "I think you should go with Arman." And I never have seen anyone do that. I was like, "Why, bud?" He's like, "Because I feel he's first done a magnificent job. He's like, don't, take that away from him. I think he's killed it. And it takes a very big-hearted artist to, do that. And obviously, I was not sure. I was like, okay, maybe. Usually, you never know, when Arijit sings it also, it sounds great. But there was something that captured the director, the lyricist, Bhushan sir's heart, and even mine. By the end of when we sat down, we had this listening session. We made 27 songs for Dhoni,
Oh, wow.
and the 7 that got selected were from those 27. And when we had that listening session, and usme se when this song we heard in both their voices, and Neeraj Pandey sir said, I want to go with Arman because I feel there is that little 18-year-old innocence and, that little thirst. And Arman was obviously 21 when this was happening. So he felt I liked the growth of his voice, during the song. He takes that flight, which I'm feeling, beginning of dreams, reaching the destination and then going beyond the destination is what Besabriya is about, not giving up, keep going. So that flight and that he felt Arman had the right innocence, and I think Arman's killed it. He's the youngest rock star from our family.
No, absolutely. And in fact, I just the time, the clock tells me that there are very few minutes left. And Arman, like I said, you have to promise we have to get back to session 2 because we haven't discussed anything. There's so much more that needs to be discussed, getting into the mind and the heart of this genius composer, which is Aman. And, he really does things with only heart. And whenever I've met him, वो आता है ऑफिस में और सीधा बस नॉट कि ये करना है वो करना है इंटरव्यू सबसे पहले गाना सुनो टेल मी हाउ द सॉन्ग इज दैट व्हाट्स स्पेशल सो अमन
पीपल आर राइटिंग बाकी 20 गाने किधर है आएंगे गलती हो गई
वो अगला सेशन करेंगे बट बिफोर गोइंग अगेन इट्स आई थिंक पीपल नीड टू हियर मच मोर ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग you have to do, Dil Ko Maine Di Kasam. 2 lines.
Yes, sure.
That's it.
I'm just making a version right now. दिल को मैंने दी कसम न धड़के तेरे बिना दिल को मैंने दी कसम न धड़के तेरे बिना धड़के तो सारी जिंदगी धड़के तो सारी जिंदगी धड़पे तेरे बिना दिल को मैंने दी कसम न धड़के तेरे बिना दिल को मैंने दी कसम न धड़के तेरे बिना धड़के तो सारी जिंदगी धड़के तो सारी जिंदगी धड़पे तेरे बिना जरा ठहरो जरा बैठो करनी है बातें पास आओ और थोड़ा सर्द है रातें, आसान होता तो मैं कब का कह चुका होता, ऐसे तुम्हारे सामने खामोश ना रहता। जरा ठहरो, जरा बैठो, करनी है बातें, पास आओ और थोड़ा सर्द है रातें। ओ खुदा बता दे क्या लकीरों में लिखा, हमने तो बस इश्क है किया। ओ खुदा बता दे क्या लकीरों में लिखा, हमने तो बस इश्क है किया। हो Thank you, Gaurav sir. We'll be meeting soon to do this again.
Yes, we will. अमल जाते जाते सबको बता दो कि अंताक्षरी और शर्मा जी क्यों देखनी चाहिए।
अंताक्षरी और शर्मा जी देखते रहिए, बहुत सारे एपिसोड्स आने वाले हैं, एंड मुझे तो लग रहा है इनके इस पेज की मैडनेस और ग्रोथ देख के फीवर भी डर रहा है, फीवर को फीवर हो रहा है। तो कीप लविंग एंड कीप सपोर्टिंग Gaurav sir, and he's bringing one of the best artists and such nice musicians and singers, and this is a cool concept. It's so real, and I had a great time. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Amal. Thank you. Session 2 coming soon. God bless and all the best for everything that you do. Just
Thank
all
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
See you.
Thank you so much.
Love to Arman, love to the family. Bye.
Yes, love to them, everyone at home. See you.